Knowing in advance what will happen later saves you a lot of time. It's the same for production, where it's important to increase productivity and avoid mistakes. This can only be done by simulating, but not just any way. With hyperMILL virtual machining, the technology leader has realized its vision of perfectly combining the virtual and the real world. A new generation of post-processors and a simulation technology for future manufacturing. It's a fast and smooth transition from programming to simulation. All data required for the simulation is integrated directly into the simulation center and connected to the digital twin of the machine. The intuitive user interface quickly makes you feel as if you're working directly on the machine. A major advantage is the NC code-based simulation, because that way you are previewing what will happen later on the actual machine. Numerous functions help you to optimally validate your NC program for your machine. A completely new way of simulation. If you want to get the most out of your machines, then you need the hyperMILL Virtual Machining Optimizer. It will always find the best solution for collision-free orientation. Even on machines with limited axes, you can achieve unprecedented performances thanks to the intelligent optimization functions. With hyperMILL connected machining, you can even control your machine remotely. That's right. Bidirectional networking with your machine, checking machine parameters, and loading the program onto the machine. This truly is Industry 4.0. If you want to return from real machining to the virtual world, simply synchronize the current machining position with the simulation. With hyperMILL virtual machining, you can significantly reduce prove-out times, improve calculated toolpaths, and get the most out of your machines. Simulate and optimize with hyperMILL virtual machining now.